So I came to wash my bike and I saw this very rare polo. It's a 1.6 with the Ramus end cam. Oh, Remus in the Valvetronic exhaust. As it has a Valvetronic exhaust. I'll show you how it sounds. Oh, okay. Full system. The very rare 1.6 petrol. Delhi no Pulse is all washed. Now let's do like a small waxing on it. How the wax is? Kaun sa wax hai? Turtle. I am going for a ride to DD Hills. The bike is all set. We just had breakfast here. So let's roll. I am almost there. This is the forest road I have to take. I think we have reached. Yep. This is the place. Check out this place. This is funky. Okay. This place looks dope. We have to go up. This is basically a glamping place. Looks like this place is gonna be awesome.
This is like 2 layers.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
So there's no washroom.
We'll ask where is the washroom, chalo.
I think it's here.
Oh, here only. Oh, from inside we can. Okay, change.
It's recording, right?
Yeah.
Fuck. See this? There's a washroom also here. This place is nice. You can hear wildlife and stuff. It's literally in the forest. But facilities are pretty basic, like very basic facilities. Nothing fancy. There's no pool. Nothing. Just one tent. No AC. Hardly one small light is only there. But it's all about the experiential stay. Let's go and see the other tents and what else is there. We'll take the Expulse and go up.
Even be careful.
This is the place. There's like a rock also there, and that's a trek which we will be doing tomorrow morning. This would be one of this would be the path. I think it's from there to up there. So tomorrow morning that's going to be the trek. Now I'll show you around what all happens in this property. They said like there's going to be lunch or dinner. There would be a barbecue or something, campfire. Let's see what our experience are going to be there. They're going to give us juice. They gave a glass of lemon juice. After the trail, this feels satisfying. So this is the food. I've taken one roti. There's papad, beetroot curry. There's biryani with salad. I put extra curd and this bit of pickle. See the view I have. I'll have lunch in this view. We are going up the hill. It's all dark and dense. And see the Ola S1. doing a triply up the hill. So I kind of reached like top of this particular mountain. Not a mountain, it's a hill. There are bikers doing photo shoot. There's another viewpoint here. There's more. I think I can go a bit more up. There's something there that looks pretty interesting. There's a creepy building there, and there is something like hanging there. Should I go explore it? Maybe not. The last vlog only you would have seen, I saw something very creepy. Yeah, trees and all are giving me like creepy vibes, like haunted place. So we'll go up and see what's there upstairs. It's a small viewpoint, nothing else, and a broken building. So we came back to our camping site. So there's going to be a high tea, and the high tea happens at a sunset point. We are trekking towards the sunset point now. Look who came with us for the trek. Strawberry. That's the sunset point. Like trekked all the way up to here. There was a peacock resting on one of that small rock there. There was a peacock resting there. Now let's see what is the other scene in this place. I think there's going to be a campfire and maybe a barbecue as well. So let's go see that. Yeah. इसलिए चिकन नहीं कर सकते बारबेक्यू में. We have a barbecue here, but it's going to be veg barbecue. Because of the fear of leopards, we have only veg barbecue. That is sad. For dinner, I've taken roti, chicken. There is paneer and gajar ka halwa. Oh, I trekked all the way up, and look who's giving me company. So that's it for the sunrise trek. Sun is all set right behind me, and this is the view I have. This tree, it's red in color. So that's it guys for the DD Hills glamping video with the trekking. I hope you guys liked it. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Have a good day.